folks, how you doing? There's box break for Bowman Sterling, number 2. Here it is. The time is 8:01. Oh, got it? Yeah. All right. One person didn't pay, and they own like 16 teams. So here we go. BP Sox. You have the Jets, 49ers, and Redskins. Big, you have Raiders. Big John, you have the Steelers. Rod's Cards, you have Carolina, Cowboys, Minnesota, Tennessee. DD20536, you have Detroit. D Lions, you have the Colts. And Liga 24, you have the Rams. So here we go. Here's the box, sealed. All right, good luck to everybody. So there we go. Alright, first card here. You got Kyle Orton, Denver. Second card is rookie Daniel Thomas from the Dolphins. See it? Alright. Third card is Kansas City. Autograph, patch, John Baldwin, Kansas City. Nice card there. Next card is Johnny White, running back from the Bills. And the last card is Cameron Hayward from the Steelers. Alright, I'll ship these out as soon as I can, probably tomorrow, and thank you for enjoying my break.